Hey guys, Andres from D-Tronics here, and I wanted to show you our final result of our center console project. Again, 2017 Dodge Ram, and we did a really good combination of products here, and the customer gave us the privilege to working on his baby, man. So check it out. Let's start with the foundation, with the power. A7 amplifiers. We got two A7 amplifiers running 8 channels of amplification. We got the 10 channel DSP, DB drive DSP. We're running everything active for that precise final tuning. The DB drive DSP has 31 bands of equalization per channel, so every component in here got really dialed in. We tuned it with the RTA, with the real-time sound analyzer, to make sure that it sounds amazing. And we almost got the best of both worlds. We got a ton of bass coming in from two 10-inch G5s down firing, and set of E6s in the front, DB drive E6s in the front, DB drive ES9 3.5s on the dashboard, ES9 tweeters up on the door jamb, ES9 speakers in the back. And guys, I wish you could hear this. It sounds amazing, super clean, and a ton of bass. So yeah, best of both worlds. So here, I'll go on the other side and you jump in so we can show you a little bit of the details in the console. I think our guys are artists. CNC machine, the customer's logo and business. Of course, we added our little name on there. He wanted it on there, so really kind of sharing the passion for what we do. We added a little kind of hideaway for your wallet, for your phone in here. The fit and finish looks beautiful. All the mood lighting on there. Stainless steel cups. We actually added leather and heating on it. So this customer came all the way down from Iowa for us to work on his baby. So just again, a privilege to working on his toy, and came out beautiful. I wish you could hear it over the video, but it sounds amazing. Super loud, super clean. Best of both worlds. We also had a lithium battery, big 3 up in the front with a high output alternator. So this thing's set to perfect road trip, and keep on enjoying the sound. So guys, if you see anything that you like here, please hit us up, DM us. We love to share the passion with you, and maybe come up with something like this for your own project. So again, Andres from D-Tronics. We can do this at all 4 stores here in South Texas, and we're ready for you. Bring it over.